We need a fork or something to mix with, a plate or something to mix in, PVA glue. Some of the glue you will see there is no PVA label, but you can see non-toxic, so it means it's PVA. You can use any kind of glue, but make sure it's PVA. Ariel Power Gel, and that's all. First we need to get our plate and put some glue. Okay, and I'm just going to get all of the glue. Ooh. I'm not going to add any color because the power gel has a color, so it can be some coloring. Mix it a little bit so it will help the slime come out fast. After mixing it, you need to add power gel. Here's our power gel. Mix it up. Look, it's forming. If it's still sticky, it means, look, it is still sticky. You see there in the top? It means we need to add more of the Ariel Power Gel. But if you don't have Ariel Power Gel, you can use liquid laundry detergent, or if you don't have them both, you can use borax. But I'm so scared to use borax because I saw a lot of videos that borax is dangerous, so I don't want to use it. You can use liquid starch, but I don't have it. Liquid detergent, but if you don't, or contact solution with baking soda, but if you don't have them all, you can just use powdered detergent and water. But make sure your powdered detergent is not that completely, or you can only put it in microwave. Don't add water, so it will be liquid starch. I mean liquid detergent. There we go, it's forming. And this is the last. Mix it a lot. If you added too much of the Ariel Power Gel, you can add more glue, but me, I added a lot, but I'm just going to mix it with my hand and squish it until it will going to be organized. And that's all. And this is starts the line. This is something sticking to my hand. And this is so fun to play with. But it's a bit sticky, but we need it. But if you are tired by kneading it, you can just add a solution or a power gel. The good thing about this, because this is so stretchy, and this is so soft, and it is so fun to play with. So yeah, this is the close-up look. It's a bit sticky. I have one more slime made with this Oreo power gel, same color, so I'm going to get that and just going to mix it with this slime.